All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Entry number 8, fast to begin. And this one is Golden Fortune. Golden Fortune, Superior Arc. Down on the inside, Trixie May Aras. Super Elegant, running down on the inside, My Chemical Romance Core Duo. May is running down on the inside, rising up Royal Family, Lady Diamond. Ingay-ingay ang sabi ko. Golden Fortune, Trixie May, Superior Arc, My Chemical Romance on the outside, Super Elegant, Aras, and Royal Family, Lady Diamond, Corduo, Cat May is running down on the inside. Rounding the far turn, Golden Fortune, Super Elegant, Trixie May, Aras down on the inside is Cat May, Royal Family. As they race the final corner, Golden Fortune, Super Elegant, Trixie May, and making group down on the inside is Cat May. Entering the finish line, Golden Fortune, Super Elegant, Cat May is running down on the inside. Golden Fortune, Aras is on the outside. Entering the finish line, Golden Fortune, Aras, Super Elegant, Cat May, Core Duo, and Royal Family. For your Super sa East, then comes Lady Diamond.